Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing fantastic. And today we have a new subscription box. This one comes to us from knifesubscription.club. So kind of excited about this one, getting a knife theme box. But before we get into it, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Make sure you ring the notification bell so you do get notified when I upload new content. And with that, friends, let's do it. Okay, so we got knifesubscription.club, and this is a monthly box, and they offer 4 different boxes for you to choose from. And as always, I will have a link to their website in the description box of this video if you want to check them out. They have a basic box that run you $25 a month. They have an advanced box that will run you $50 a month. They have a premium box at $100 a month and an ultimate at $150. All of these boxes, they will give you a discount if you do a 3-month prepay or a 6-month prepay. So keep that in mind when you go to them and you check them out. And I'm going to open this today with something that I carry literally every day. It's from Gerber. It's completely wore out, but all it is a very small pocket razor blade holder because, yeah, I have a need for opening boxes at work or just anything that I'm doing around the house. Need a razor blade for. This thing is really small, fits right in your pocket, and when it goes dull or you chip it, you just put a new blade in and you're good to go. I'm lazy like that. So let's see what we got here. All right, see some good stuff, and they give us a card, thankfully, and it actually has all of their packages or their boxes that they send with the value. Yeah, so, okay, this is awesome. Okay, so let's see. Wow, that's a whole lot of text. They actually go through and describe all of the contents, which I'm not going to do, but that's the front of the card. And then the back of the card with all of the relevant information. And like I said, it's monthly knifeclub.com. And like I said, I will have a link to them in the description box of this video. So let's set this to the side and let's go ahead and pull some stuff out. And the first thing we have is some UST, some paracord, 50 foot. It's kind of an olive and got some little orange bits in it. And this is something, paracord, always needed, so, will not go to waste. So we'll just set that right here. And let's see, what is this? Keychains with purpose. Okay, this is a 1-ounce flask. I will say this is something very different than what I'm used to seeing. This is goes on your keychain, and it's stainless steel. It has a screw top cap. It has 1-ounce capacity. Yeah, so we open a lot of boxes, and we do get a lot of little gadgets to put on your keychain. And I will say I've never seen a flask that you're going to carry on your keychain. But hey, zombie apocalypse, yeah, after you almost get chomped on and you're running and you get away, this 1 ounce could make a really good little celebration. So yeah, I guess that would have its use. All right, okay, so we have another UST product here, and this is a venture beaner. Okay, it's just a little small kind of I call these things novelty carabiners because they're not really rated to hold any real type of weight. Functionality of these things to me drastically reduced because they're not rated for serious weight. But you can see it's kind of cut there to have a little climber on it, which I don't know how you feel about this type of stuff. It's novelty. It's not practice. It doesn't increase the practicality of anything. So yeah, it is what it is. It's a little carabiner. You could probably use it around your campsite to hang up any little small things. So yeah, that's obviously what you would use that for. All right, and we got a Coast Lights, Knives, Multi-Tools, a rechargeable flashlight. It's like a pin light, and apparently it has a little magnetic piece right here that the pin just snaps onto when you plug it into, I would assume a USB. But as soon as I make an assumption, I will be incorrect. But yeah, USB charging cord, there you go. Okay, what's the output? And how long does it last? Does it say? It says it has low glare. Okay. Okay, well, it doesn't give me a whole lot of information. It says it'll throw 19 meters. It works for an hour off of one charge. So I'm assuming it just has one power setting. So basically, it's just an on or off. But yeah, a little small, and you can tell. You can see there. You can see it right here. It is like literally the size of a pin. So it's not big, and it does have a clip on it. So you could put it in like your shirt pocket, or your pocket, or on your bag or something. Okay. And we got a sticker. I'm assuming this is a sticker, yes? Yes, a sticker. It just says Monthly Knife Club, so I guess that's a little promo thing that they throw in the box. All right. We don't mind the company doing their advertising, and we have the knife, which I will say, it's interesting to call a Monthly Knife Club, and you only get one knife. But anyway, it's a CRKT, so it's Columbia River Knife and Tool. And let's see, it's a Heron. Okay. All right. Frame lock. Let's see. Doesn't really say anything else, but this is the knife that we got. It's definitely different with the coloring. All right. And actually, it does have the name actually on the blade there. So yeah, it's definitely, it does have some chimping up here, some chimping up there that does, it kind of sweeps up a little bit, so when you get your grip, your thumb can rest naturally on it. Gives a good purchase, feels really good. Okay, well let's see what their card has to say. Let's see how good they do on their description. Okay, it says this is the advanced plan, right? Is that what I got here? Yeah, this is the advanced box. So this would have been $50. Okay. And it says that this box has a value of $101.95. Oh, wow. The Monthly Knife Club sticker, they actually include this as some kind of value. Wow, $3 for a sticker? I don't think so, buddy. Gonna disagree with that. But we have the mini flask for $4.99. We have the paracord, $5.99. We have the pen light, $35. That's, I guess, store, that's probably about right. And then we have the Venture Beaner, $5. And then the knife has a value of $48 for a total of $101.95, to which we only paid $50. So you guys can let me know in the comment section down below what you think about that. Do you think this box was worth $50? Given that the knife supposedly has a value of $48, and I'm going to tell you something, you guys in the comment section, man, y'all are some internet sleuths, because it never fails when I go and read the comments in the comment section. You guys are just really good about telling me where you can find the stuff on Amazon and how much it really costs. So I do appreciate that. So all you guys keep that up. I really do like getting that type of feedback, especially when all I'm doing is regurgitating literally what these companies that I purchase these boxes from, that they give. So I do appreciate that. Okay, let's see. Where is the knife? Okay, the CRKT. We bring you the Heron. Let's see. Blah blah blah. Wow, it didn't really tell me anything. It just says everyday carry folding knife. It does have a frame lock. It says carbon fiber inlays. Okay. All right. So I guess is that real carbon fiber, or is it just some kind of sticker? Okay, I don't know. But you can see there. Hopefully the carbon fiber look will translate there into the frame. But yeah, no information on what kind of steel steel it is. And the little thing here doesn't tell me anything. All right. So I guess I'm gonna if you want to know more about this particular blade, you can go to CRKT's website and look up the Heron, Heron, and check it out. But not a bad knife, not a bad knife. It's not big. You can see from my hand, it's not big. So yeah, it does have a belt clip. So yeah, it definitely would be a pocket knife. And depending on what she's made of and what you guys think about it, yeah, this could be a solid knife. Okay, so like I said, we're going into this, 50 bucks. Knife's supposedly 48. And we got all this other stuff. The paracord, which we'll have a use for, the little flask, which I think is kind of humorous. But, you could, instead of putting this on your keychain, you could fill this up with 1 ounce of something or other and stick it on your backpack or your hiking bag or where else? I definitely would not put this on my keychain. This would definitely go on my backpack before it went anywhere else. And the little pen light. Little pen light, yeah, you could take that, no problem. All right, so that's all I got, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think about this box. Do you think for 50 bucks this was a decent value, good value, up, down, whatever? I will put a subscription button over here, next video over here, and we will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.